Looking for the perfect TV wall mount to upgrade your home entertainment setup in 2025? Whether you need a full motion mount for maximum flexibility, a low profile option for a sleek look, or a heavy duty bracket for larger TVs, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best TV wall mounts of 2025 based on durability, adjustability, ease of installation, and overall value. We've researched the latest and most trusted options to help you find the right mount for your TV and room layout. Stay tuned until the end to see which wall mount takes the #1 spot. And don't forget, you'll find links to all the featured products in the description below, so you can easily check current prices and availability. Let's get started. 5. SANUS Tilting TV Wall Mount. Upgrade your home entertainment setup with this universal tilting TV wall mount designed to securely support most 42-inch, 19-inch flat-screen TVs up to 130 pounds, including popular Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and Vizio models. Its innovative extendable design allows the TV to pull out up to 5.2 inches from the wall, providing tool-free tilt adjustment with up to 12 degrees downward and 10 degrees upward tilt to reduce glare and improve viewing comfort. Perfect for above fireplace installations or elevated mounting locations. When not extended, the mount sits just 2.9 inches from the wall, creating a sleek, low-profile appearance that complements any room. The extendable feature also makes accessing HDMI ports and power connections simple without removing the TV. With side-to-side adjustment for perfect centering, broad VISA compatibility from 100 by 100 to 600 by 400, and an installer-approved 3-step DIY setup, complete with mounting hardware and drilling template, this mount delivers professional-grade performance with homeowner-friendly convenience. 4. EcoGear Wall Mount. Upgrade your home entertainment experience with this heavy-duty TV wall mount, designed to securely support TVs up to 90 inches and 135 pounds. Installation is fast and hassle-free thanks to a simple 3-step setup process, organized hardware packs, and an included drilling template, perfect for DIY beginners. Enjoy the ideal viewing angle with up to 10 degrees of tilt adjustment, reducing glare and enhancing comfort whether your TV is mounted above a fireplace or in the bedroom. Compatible with major TV brands including LG, Samsung, Sony, TCL, and Vizio, this mount supports a wide VESA range from 200 by 100 to 600 by 400 for a universal fit. Plus, post-install leveling adjustment of up to 5 degrees ensures your TV looks perfectly aligned every time. Pair it with your favorite YouTube videos, movies, and shows for a premium viewing experience that combines style, stability, and convenience. 3. Montech H777BK. Upgrade your home entertainment experience with the Montech heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount, engineered specifically for massive 60-inch to 120-inch TVs weighing up to 265 pounds. Built with a reinforced dual-arm steel construction and tested to withstand 4 times its rated load, this mount delivers exceptional stability, even for 100-plus screens fully extended. Enjoy maximum viewing flexibility with a 27.7-inch extension, 60-degree swivel, and tool-free tilt adjustment that helps eliminate glare and optimize comfort from any seat in the room. Compatible with leading TV brands including Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and Hisense. The universal VISA design supports sizes from 200 by 200 millimeters to 900 by 600 millimeters and installs securely on wood studs, concrete, or brick walls. The pre-assembled design, quick lock and release system, and included installation hardware make setup fast and hassle-free. For added confidence, watch our YouTube installation and demonstration video to see the mount's strength, smooth motion, and easy installation process in action. Whether for a home theater, gaming room, office, or commercial space, Montech delivers professional-grade performance backed by lifetime customer support. 2. USX Mount XML A008-1K01. Upgrade your home entertainment experience with this heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount, designed to fit most 42 to 90-inch TVs weighing up to 132 pounds and supporting VISA patterns from 200 by 100 millimeters to 600 by 400 millimeters. Featuring dual articulating arms, this versatile mount offers plus 5 degrees at a 15-degree tilt, with a 45-degree swivel, and plies in 3 degrees post-installation leveling adjustment, allowing you to achieve the perfect viewing angle from anywhere in the room. Built for strength and flexibility, it extends up to 16.49 inches and retracts to just 2.40 inches from the wall, helping save space while maintaining a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free with detailed instructions, pre-labeled hardware, a bubble level, and cable ties included in the package. Compatible with wood studs up to 16 inches apart, this mount delivers reliable support and enhanced viewing comfort for your favorite movies, sports, and gaming sessions. Plus, our friendly US-based customer support team is always ready to assist whenever you need help. One Perligear PGLF16US upgrade your home entertainment setup with the Perligear heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount, designed to securely support most 42-inch to 90-inch flat or curved TVs weighing up to 150 pounds. Engineered with upgraded high-strength steel that delivers 50% greater strength and stability, this premium TV bracket is built for ultra-large screens, providing dependable performance and peace of mind. Its wide compatibility supports VESA mounting patterns from 200 by 100 millimeters to 600 by 400 millimeters, making it suitable for a broad range of TV brands and models. The versatile installation design accommodates 8-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch, and 24-inch wood studs, as well as concrete and brick walls, ensuring flexible mounting options for virtually any room. With full motion functionality for optimal viewing angles and a rugged construction built to last, the Perligear TV mount is the perfect solution for creating a sleek, space-saving, and immersive viewing experience. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best TV wall mounts of 2025. Whether you're looking for a full-motion mount for maximum flexibility, a low-profile option for a clean setup, or a heavy-duty mount for larger TVs, there's a perfect choice for every home entertainment system. We hope this guide helped you find the right wall mount for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. And remember, we've included links to all the featured TV wall mounts in the description below, so you can easily check current prices and learn more about each product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.